Yeah.
So who that?
Can't take more this man, you see it? The man with the mouth sound like muffler. Rev.
Yeah man, Young Crux, we in here, isn't me? A crossroad at the clock. Isn't me I say? Yeah man, in front of Carib Theatre.
You want to see it? Come out the yard, pull the gate and go crossroad. Yeah, crossroad.
Isn't me? You get it? Crossroad. Yeah, man. Yeah, Young Crux is still here. Over there. You know what I'm saying?
Like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the sunlight. Darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere.
Go on.
This is your dawn, this is your
Get
break. Move like
Yeah, Richie, we have two fans here. Markley and up Petersland side. You know what I'm saying? So they said you can pull off a little thing. So I'm sure you can do now. They say that it don't matter what you can do, man. So I'm sure what you can do. You get the opportunity, which one you want. That you have to.
Yeah, remember?
I know the sadness that cripples you. It comes in waves and out of the blue. But there are days you feel freedom too. Bask in the glorious lightning. Move like the sunlight. Darkness can't hold you. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn.
So what's your name? Huh? K. So make we know now where like the stunting on the side.
Everything about the team. Next time we come and bigger and better.
Alright.
Comfortable with it. I find a problem with it. Alright.
Yeah, man, right now my thing is here.
I like that song. I'm practicing, you know?
But for the body to put on right now.
So she's a stunt tattoo as well. Yeah, a stunt tattoo. Really mean that?
Yeah man, so yo, so big up your place now man. Say what you have to big up your place. Alright, do it. Come on.
See Africa on the fence. And I mean, we are representing all the D-Star channel. D-Star channel.
Yo.
No, let's repeat it yourself.
What you say?
No, I say, we can lift up any one of them that can go up the road and come back.
Alright.
When you say lift up, you have to be specific in our cars. Look at this. You can't just lift it up and go up the road. You get me? You have to be more specific. Say, really go.
Where that? Wheelie go up there. Alright, choose your poison. See that? Choose a poison, not three of them.
What so you can do?
See that? 3 bicycle there. Choose one of them. Choose one of them.
Pick one.
That one there, you think you can wheelie? So you say, you can bust the clutch, my boss? Can't wait. No, easy wheelie that man. Easy wheelie. Alright, my G, so how hard was the struggle? How hard was the struggle?
You don't know the first time. You can pass it.
Yeah, man.
The first time we pass it.
Yeah.
You see it?
Alright.
That's our first time. You see it? We pass it.
Alright, my boss. Waiting. Yeah, man, big up yourself, no, man. Yeah, man. Yo.
Treasure chest.
You know, just try to attempt to wheel one of our bicycles. first one itself.
Respect to them. Manners are respect. Every time. Manners.
Yeah, man.
Manners. I see it real outside. Represent Odane, D-Star channel. You don't know, live.
Yeah, man. Yes, young couple.
Hold on. It's fade.
Another fan, better than we actually make the attempt to win the match. So there have it. Treasure chest. Yourself.
Treasure chest. Straight out Africa.
Alright. Yeah, man, so big up for yourself. Let's sit on a joke team. You see me? Seriously, I don't know what's a video out here.
Really they here live as usual, always with the team.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You see me? Leave a comment of what you want to see next. Yeah, man, just work.
Over your skin, you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long, you felt the heat, evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the, move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the. I know the sadness that cripples you. It comes in waves and out of the blue. But there are days you feel freedom too. Bask in the glorious light.
The next day.
Hey young cuz viewers, subscribers, we are here on Bond Street, downtown Kingston with some young fans, you know what I'm saying? And we are here with Delo, as always. Give me a say. And Richie is also here, you will see me now big, so big up to the young fans them from Bond Street, you know what I'm say? Yeah man, big up on yourself, young crocs. Yeah man, alright. Who want to try wheelie? Who want to try wheelie? Talk now. Who want to try wheelie? You want to try wheelie? Ah, which bicycle you use to try wheelie? Any bicycle? What I say? Ah, yo, so what's your name? Privy. Alright, Privy, now say a word. Big up yourself. As me I say? Yeah, man. Put up a challenge. Anybody can wheel it from down at the railing down there so to up by the truck, get 5 bills. Anybody can wheel it from down the road to up the road, get 5 bills. 5 bills. The first person to do it, get the 5 bills.
Over your skin, you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. first time in so long you felt the heat.
You suck!
Sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the, move like the sunlight. Darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the. I know the sadness that cripples you. It comes in waves and out of.
Hey Young Talks, we are here again to present the $500 cash
Live.
wheelie winner with Sean Paul from Bond Street. So here is Sean Paul, the winner of the wheelie competition. May I say? So respect Sean Paul. May I say? Big up yourself. So we have to say to the camera. Big up who you want, big up the man. Nah, not even say.
You know, we got mommy, daddy, your family, nobody you know want big up. Eh?
Shout out to your friend them.
Shout out to your friend them then. Pop off him shirt. Pop off him shirt.
Yes, Young Talks, we want to give a shout out to official Javan for following our Instagram page, and a special shout out to Queen Zess for following all instructions of following the YouTube page, or subscribing to the YouTube page, following our Instagram page.
And she also followed the instructions and do as she was told, so she's a lucky winner, so we're giving her a special shout out. Okay, big up yourself. Zest Queen.
Yeah.
Queen Zest.
Yeah, so we're gonna put the screenshot in the video so you can see our Instagram. So shout out to you, Queen Zest, for following all instructions.
Big up
and
yourself.
keep watching our videos.
Always remember, like, share and subscribe. Big up yourself, Queen Zest.
Nice.
Peace.